Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here's the situation of the match. Pakistan once again in deep trouble as they are 126 for 9, chasing a target of 175 on the board, and they are competing against India in the final match of the ICC T20 World Cup 2019. So Pakistan, like always, its performance and its condition is against India is at the same position here once again, and it's the last wicket in hand. Pakistan need 49 of just 19 deliveries. Can Pakistan do this, and can Pakistan or India is going to finish up it as very soon? So Vaisal is the bowler here, and the last wicket and the last delivery of the 17th over is going on here. So and now Vaisal is going to bowl the last delivery, and now he's coming in, and Hassan is on strike, and it's a wonderful delivery, but Hassan has played it, and now it's into the gap as well. So Hassan has taken a single, so he will be back on strike in the 18th over here, and Pakistan need 48 of just 18 deliveries with just first one wicket in hand. So can Pakistan make a difference, or are they going to just get lost in the last wicket and just India win? So let's see what happens here. So Hardik Pandya is the bowler for the next over in the now is going to take the 18th over here, and Hassan is on strike, and now it's a wonderful delivery, and it's a dot ball. So Pakistan needs 48 of just 17 deliveries. Oh dear, what's going on here? It's a very bad position for Pakistan, really. Situation not in control, and just one last wicket in hand. So the second delivery is coming, this time on the offside, and Hassan has played it, and it's into the gap as well, and that's another 4. Oh, that's wonderful. Wow, that's a beautiful shot, nicely played into the gap, and fielder was unable to stop it. It was very much in fact a good shot into the gap as well. So Hassan Ali, so Pakistan need 44 of 16 now. So Hardik Pandya is coming in, and it's a full toss, and he's played it high. It's going. Where is it going? Oh, it's out of the park. Wow, that's a wonderful 6. Wow, Hassan Ali is well done. He's playing his job for his team Pakistan. So 40 now is target out 38 of 15 deliveries. So another delivery is coming up from Hardik Pandya, and this time, oh, it's a Yorker ball, but wow, very nicely played by Hassan Ali. It's a very nicely played shot.